just read some of his novels. I read another paper in the Russell supermarket, another novel he did. Just one.
Hopefully I can get this guy before he gets hit. No, we don't want you to get hit, bud. We don't want you to get hit. It's cool. It's my first rescue of the year. It's on my way down to the bank, right by his house on that bad turn. I whipped around and got him. Hopefully he'll stay off the street. It's a bog turtle, I think they call them. Beautiful night out here. As you can see, the sun's starting to break through finally after 2 days of rain. Everything's green and lush. Graham's just letting her papers pile up. I don't understand that. They pay big money. They pay cash money for them papers. Yeah, it's just perfect out here. Love, love, love spring rains. It's a little cool, but that's fine. The weekend will be 80. We'll be complaining. All right.